Now, for the next disease condition we should be establishing its connection to heart failure is anemia. So, can anemia be able to cause heart failure in children? Now, most people will be saying yes, but you don't really know the clear connection. Do you understand? You can't really say the clear connection between anemia and heart failure. So let's quickly look at it. Anemia and heart failure. So anemia can significantly impact heart function in children, and in severe cases usually leads to heart failure. So let's look at what is the definition of anemia before we start looking at how it now links to what? Heart failure. Anemia is a condition where the blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. Of course, the functions of hemoglobin in red blood cell is to carry oxygen. So if the blood is lacking this, such a person is needing a lot of oxygen. So the heart is trying to compensate by pumping faster, thinking that if it pumps faster, at least oxygen will be much more distributed. Okay, so how does it actually affect the heart? So increased cardiac output demand. So the body compensates for low oxygen by increasing heart rate and stroke volume. So this leads to high output cardiac failure. Do you understand? The heart is working harder than it should, so it's becoming vulnerable, to failures. All right. So chronic volume overload. So persistent anemia causes the heart to pump more blood per minute. Over time, this leads to dilated cardiomyopathy. Do you understand? The heart chambers are becoming weak. They are becoming bigger because of too much work. Reduced oxygen delivery to myocardium. So the heart muscles itself is suffering from oxygen deprivation. And if you want the heart muscles to work faster, you need to provide it food. Okay? So this impair its ability to contract effectively, also contributes to further failure. Okay? So associated conditions, alright, if there's anemia due to rhesus factor incompatibility or fetal maternal transfusion issues, right, causing hydrous fetalis. Do you understand? So all of this could actually complicate it more. Do you understand? That means you have anemia and you have other issues, so of course it's complicating it more. Do you understand? So iron deficiency anemia is also particularly implicated in pediatric heart failure, especially if the child has not been taking food that contains sufficient iron. Okay, so that's it for how anemia can be able to cause heart failure in children.